For some people, the name learning culture is a kind of an HR buzzword. They say that learning culture sounds only good in corporate presentation, some kind of official meeting, but as a matter of fact, doesn't bring that much value in the daily operation. There are also other people, they would like to contribute more for the corporate culture, having learning and development in focus, but they don't know how. It's time to change this approach. Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management. I am Aldona Blondin, founder and owner of ABCC, and I want to inspire and encourage your team leaders and your team members to contribute to the genuine learning culture. This is actually one of my most courageous projects in my offer. Why so? I mentioned already the name is in somehow already overused, this learning culture. I'm also aware that maybe the topic is not the first ever priority to invest for the training, because there are more training needed, like a functional training. And also maybe there's the idea, okay, how actually you can train people to develop learning culture. Why? Because I'm 100% convinced that even small takeaway from this workshop will bring one step forward your team to develop this genuine learning culture, which will have positive impact on business result of your company. What? During this highly interactive workshop, we will work together firstly how we, as adult people, can learn in the working environment. What do we need for this to make this learning process sustainable and effective? Also, we will deep dive how we can share our knowledge and expertise with others. And eventually, we will go even further on how we can make extra mile to contribute to the genuine learning culture. Yes! Because yes, everyone can contribute, and I want to unbox your team members to the never stop learning process. Already today, you can contribute to the genuine learning culture in your company. Feel being invited to set 15 minutes free of charge call, and then just let's discuss how can I support you and your team in this fantastic journey. Aldona Blondin, your Positive Change Coach.